What if I told you just by sending one malicious HTTP request, somebody could take control of your entire React application? Today we are diving into a security flaw so severe that it's being called the worst case scenario for React apps. Let's first give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, and that's C15T. The developer's first consent banner. If you want a consent banner with good performance, C15T is the way to go. Check out this benchmark right here. Minimal bundle size, fully tree shakeable, and they are built for speed. And not only that, but you can customize it using simple CSS. As you can see right here, even Tailwind is working, so you can just put in the class names and everything is being updated on your consent banner. C15T is just another example how tools built by devs for devs are winning. Check them out. And now, let's dive into this vulnerability. The React team released this blog post on December the 3rd called Critical Security Vulnerability in React Server Components. Let's see what actually happened here. So on November 29th, Lachlan Davidson reported a security vulnerability in React that allows unauthenticated remote code execution by exploiting a flaw in how React decodes payloads sent to React server function endpoints. And even if your app does not implement any React server function endpoints, it may still be vulnerable if your app supports React server components. This vulnerability was disclosed, we can see it right here, and it is rated CVSS 10. That's the maximum score. That means this is one critical security flaw. And the vulnerability is present in versions, we can see it right here, from 19.0 to 19.2.0. So what this vulnerability means? React Server Components, RSC, run on your server, not in your browser. They allow React to fetch the data, run logic, and prepare some kind of UI. This basically means that an attacker could send a specially crafted HTTP request to your server and execute code that you never wanted to run. This is the worst type of security issue that you can imagine: remote code execution. An attacker could potentially run malicious code on your server. He could access environment variables, modify data, delete databases, even take full control over your server and kick you out. And that's why the score here is 10 out of 10, because this is really the worst case scenario for React. But let's say something positive. As soon as this one was discovered, the React team reacted in a really good and quick way, and they brought 19.2.1, which fixes everything. So if you upgrade to this version, you will fix this security flaw. So if you have any React project, go now, check your package.json file and check your React dependency. Here on my meal planner project, this is 19.2.0, so this is not safe. I have to update this one to 19.2.1. And they're all over the place. It's not just that blog post. They shared it here as well on Twitter, and the entire React community is reposting it, giving the warning to all the developers. So if you have some friends with React apps, send them this video so they can understand how severe this problem actually is. Also, one quick shout out to Vercel for putting this banner right here. They're detecting your Next.js and React version, and they're putting this banner in order to tell you that you need to upgrade. I didn't upgrade this project because I wanted to show you this one, and this is a good moment to see which frameworks are actually affected. So we have here Next.js, React Router, Vacu, Parcel, RSC, Vite.js, Plugin RSC, and Redwood SDK, so pretty much everything. And for all those affected frameworks, you have here update instructions for all of them, so Next.js, React Router, Expo, Redwood, etc. I'll leave you this link in the description below, so make sure you check which version you have on your application in order to update and to fix this security issue. I really hope this video was helpful. Go upgrade, don't wait. Send this video to your friends so they can know what kind of issue they have. And until next time, see you, warriors.